What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a section with these elements right here, how to use the counter elements on Elementor WordPress plugin. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. How to access WordPress dashboard? Into the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus wp-admin, okay? Enter with the login credentials and you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one right here. After, go to any page of your site, and if you are using Elementor, you're gonna be able to see into the top toolbar of your admin bar that appears into the top a button called Edit with Elementor. You can click on it to start editing your page. Wait while the page loads, and while you wait, take a moment to like this video and find a place where you would like to apply this section right here. All you have to do is you can create a column by clicking into this plus button and entering the columns layout you wish. Into the first one you can enter, for example, an image. Just like this, you can drag and drop your elements, select your image, grab the picture, just like this. And into the second one, you can apply some heading and the numbers. Click into the plus button into the upper left corner of your screen, next to the Elementor icon. Scroll it down, and you're gonna be able to find into general a widget called counter. The start number can be 0, the end number can be any number you want. Number prefix, for example, just like this. All up to you, okay? Number suffix, animation, you can delay the animation. You can separate the thousands in the case that you want, or make it all together. All up to you. You can apply some separator. Just like this. All up to you and to your needs, okay? You can change the title. You can change the HTML element. And if you go to the Style tab, you can change the position of the title. Just like this. The title alignment. The title gap, the number position. You can customize the number colors, the fonts, strike and shadow, and same for title. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case I don't have any question. Don't forget to hit the upper right corner of your screen publish button to save your change, and you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.